Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing burpees over the box. So there's a lot of different variations that we can do burpees. And for all of those variations, watch my video on burpees. A little out of breath here. So we're going to be facing the box on these. We're going to jump back, make sure we get chest to deck, jump our feet in. If we need to step to get closer to the box, we can totally do that. We're going to jump up, both feet at the same time, onto the box. We can turn around, step down, go to the other side, facing the box, do our burpees. Like I said, if we need to step forward, we can totally do that. Jump up, we can jump down, and straight in to the next one. So like I said, for all of the different modifications of burpees, make sure that you watch my videos on burpees. And if you are ready to start doing workouts like this from home, on your own, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.